Okay, in this screencast, we're going to cover merging two drives in your system into a single drive. Now, this is only going to work if you've got a single drive in your system and it's been split into separate partitions. So if we start, we go to the Start menu, we'll right-click on My Computer, and then go to Manage. Okay, now if we go into Disk Management, because we see we've got a single disk here, and it's been split into a C drive and also into an E drive. Now it's this E drive here that we want to get rid of, and we want to move the data that's on it over to the C drive, delete this E drive, and then extend the C drive here to allocate all of the disk space. So if we move over to Windows Explorer, go to our data drive, we need to make sure we move this data across. If we drag it across to the C drive, holding down Shift to move it, and let go, we move that data across here. So all of our important documents have been moved across, and the E drive contains no data. It's important we do this because if we delete the partition, we are going to lose everything that's on it. So we'll switch back over to Disk Management, Computer First. We'll then right-click on the E drive, which is the data drive. We will delete the volume. Say yes here, because it's pointing out we're going to erase all the data on the drive, so we need to make sure we've got a backup first. Okay, now we see we've got some unallocated space here on the disk, and that's where we're going to extend this C drive to fill with that space. So if we click on the C drive, right-click on it, extend the volume, click next here. We can see in the amount of space in megabytes field, it's filled in the currently unallocated disk space. So we just select next, finish. There we go, our C drive has now been extended to fill that space and the E drive is gone. We close the computer management window. You can then see here in My Computer, we've only got a single C drive, and that's been reflected to show that the free space now takes up the whole disk. As always, thank you for watching, and if you've got any suggestions on how we can improve things, please let me know. Or if you've got any suggestions for future screencasts, drop me a line.